Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The project is in touch with you System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If you're interested, you can pause it. You can study all the organization's indicators more closely. We will compare the main fundamental indicators of the corporation with you. Globus Medical Incorporated, ticker GMED. This review is based on current data as of May 21, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets company Globus Medical Inc. belongs to the subcategory Specialized Medical Equipment. 37 organizations participate in the comparison, which is quite representative. We will look at the order decisions at the end of this video. The result for the company under study is as follows: 9 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.4 points. If you look at it very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, note that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against the company's score of 9 Globus Medical Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's stock price, Globus Medical Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares Globus Medical Inc. showed a change of minus 3.7%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 17.4%. Market capitalization of the company Globus Medical Inc. amounts to $8.34 billion. With a market capitalization of $64 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. Globus Medical Inc. accounts for a share of 13.059% and is one of the largest companies in the subcategory. The company's book value is estimated at $3.41 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $14 billion. Globus Medical Incorporated accounts for 23.814%. By comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share Globus Medical Incorporated in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 13.059%. The book value is 23.814%. This is 82% more than the market value share. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $0.068 billion. Debt to book value is 2% of equity. The company's debt level result, very good, 2 points. The ratio of the company's stock market value to its earnings is 45. With an average in the subcategory of 0, this is significantly better than the average in the subcategory. Market value to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $186 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $504 million. This is 171.9% more than now. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 3.3. The average in the subcategory is 3.7, which is 11% lower than the subcategory average. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,510 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $4.1 billion. This is 63% more than now. Assessment of projected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 7.4%, with the average in the subcategory being -5%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 12.4%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 9.893%, which is 32% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $1,573,000. And in the subcategory, there are $1,192,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's performance is 32%. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $35,000, with an average in the subcategory of -$16,200. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's figures is $51,000. Evaluation of profit per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee is $474,000. In the subcategory, $326,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 45%. Evaluation of revenue per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 3.8%, with an average for the subcategory of 6.4%. This is an indicator of the risk of a short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 39% for the company Globus Medical Inc. In the subcategory, this level is 63%. The company's current share price is around $61.59. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $85.16. The actual price and consensus forecast are approximately 38% apart. Let's go to the order table, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the stock evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's shares Globus Medical Incorporated. Information and reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Open an order to increase at a price of $61.60. The deal is open because the company has a fairly high rating. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 69.34. Stop loss is set at 53.86. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the deal will be closed independently based on the results of exchange trading on June 20th, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker ESTA is a balancing order to sell. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the final price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the help system from GURU.Markets. You are all the coolest audience on the entire planet.